subject followed by wish, then you have that followed by another subject, and then simple past tense. So in that case, what the sentence look like? I wish that I had enough time, this is your sentence, to finish my homework. So it means I don't have enough time to finish my work. This is about the present tense. We wish that he were old enough to come with us. It means he is not old enough, right, to come with us. Third example, they wish that they did not have to go to class today. It means they have to go to class today whatsoever. So this was about present wish. Now in case of past wish, we spoke about future, we spoke about present wish, and what about the past wish? So the sentence will look like subject followed by wish, then this optional that with another subject followed by past perfect tense. It can be could have and verb in the past participle form. So the sentence will be, I wish that I had washed, this is past, the clothes yesterday. I did not wash the clothes at all yesterday, right? She wishes, this is past perfect, she wishes that she could have been here or there. So it means she could not be there. So this was about this could have followed by the verb in past participle. And then again another example, we wish that we had more time